Hello, I'm Craig Meyerhofer, Vice President of Business Development at Alpen High Performance Products.
And I'm Tyler Board, National Channel Sales Manager at Alpen.
In this video, we'll take a closer look at our Zenith series line of windows.
Here I am standing on the interior of an Alpen Zenith casement with an awning mulled below. Our casement and awning thermal performance achieves an R value of 10 with a U factor of up to 0.10. Our air infiltration is as low as 0.01 CFMs per square foot. Our casement and awning also achieves a condensation resistance rating as high as 82. So I'm going to remove our screen, which is made up of an aluminum frame and a better view mesh, by sliding it one direction and simply pulling the screen out. My window is in the closed and locked position. In order to operate, I'm first going to lift our low profile lock lever to the unlocked position. And then I'm going to grab the handle and crank out the window all the way. Notice my sash will go a true 90 degrees to my frame, which will allow me to reach the outside of the glass if you need to clean it. The mechanisms that help us achieve low air infiltration, our lock lever will move this tie bar up and down. The tie bar will grab the keepers that are on the edge of our sash to suck the sash in nice and tight to our frame and our weather stripping. We also have snubbers on the frame and the sash that perform a similar function to keep the sash nice and tight to its frame. We have a triple gasketed window here with a bulb weather strip on the exterior all the way around. The second layer of weather stripping is located here, and your third is located on the inside of the frame. Both our casement and awning offer 15 different standard frame colors to choose from. Some of the accessories that you can add to a casement and awning are going to be a standard nailing flange, frame extenders of different depths, anchor brackets for installation, and brick molds. As we move down to our awning below, notice the mitered corners, which are mechanically fastened. And this is going to show our thin mullion between the casement frame, the mull cap, and then the awning frame below. So very thin sight line of a mullion between our casement to our awning. My awning below has two lock levers located on each jamb. So I'm going to lift those up at the same time. And then I'm going to simply crank out my awning. We call this a scissor arm. That's going to push the awning all the way out. Depending upon the size and orientation of your sash, you have a very large vent area here and a vent at the top. The awning is connected by these two arms and the scissor, also featuring the same 3 triple gaskets. And to close the awning, we're simply going to crank it back in and lock. When I lock it, notice how the sash will suck right into the frame. Here we're gonna highlight the insulated frame and insulated sash of our casement and awning profile, which is holding an Alpen 1 3/8 overall thick, thin glass triple pane IGU. Our casements and awnings can also hold the same overall thickness of an insulated glazing unit with a thin glass quad pane featuring 0.5 millimeter thick thin glass.
So thin glass triple and thin glass quad pane. We hope this video has given you some good insight concerning the features and benefits of the Zenith series windows. For more information on this series, as well as our other products, please visit our website at www.thinkalpen.com or call 303-834-3600 and let us help you elevate your next window and door project.